Hi, I'm Thomas here at Alpha Training Academy, and today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about how you could improve your speaking with Alpha Training Academy. Many a times we ourselves would have wondered, what do we do to actually improve our performances when it comes to the OET speaking? We'll take a look at some basic tips on how to improve the overall performance when it comes to the module. The most important thing that I feel is if one needs to perform well for his speaking, he needs to have an overall positive attitude in terms of communicating with the patient or with the relatives of the patient. So we need to understand the fact that being the person who the patient or the relatives would be depending on the most in the scenarios and the situations that would be handed over to us, we need to be the one who tends to maintain a positive attitude in communicating with the patients. So it means that you should be assuming a positive language. You should bring in a lot of positivity in terms of your communication, and you also need to have that positive attitude when you do that. So when you kind of do that, it helps you execute the task to the best. So this is something that we kind of train you and to do well when you actually tend to practice with us here at Alpha Training Academy. And then another thing that I feel would also help improve your speaking performances is the fact that you need to understand that being the healthcare professional in that situation, you would have to explain the required and relevant details and information in a clear and logical manner. So this requires your language to be quite clear, even though you might be quite weak in some areas of the language, which we can term as being linguistic abilities. But you need to understand that once you have got a strong and efficient communication skills, clinical communication skills, you can actually compensate for that. We need to understand the fact that the assessor of our speaking test would only be listening to our voice and sound. And hence it is vital to pay attention to the way we express the information, the nuances and the intricate details that you can bring into it would clearly give you an edge when it comes to performing well in your speaking. So you need to be as clear, detailed and logical as possible when you actually tend to do your task. And so the next question is, how does this happen? I would say that there's no other easy way than practice, 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 because constant regular practice is something that you need to pay attention to. And this is where Alpha Training Academy will actually help you kind of sharpen your skills when it comes to speaking. We at Alpha help you with regular speaking sessions because we tend to pay attention to the intricate details of your speaking, of your style of speaking, and we tend to actually assess your speaking, keeping in mind the assessment criteria that would actually be involved in the actual test. We believe that when this is done regularly, your style of speaking improves and so does your level of confidence. So why wait? You could actually message us on our WhatsApp number, and then let's start with the sessions and you get a feel of how you could really be improving your language when it comes to performances in the OET speaking. And I believe that constant regular practice is the key to success here. And once you can do that with us, this ensures good performance. I would also suggest that you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Alpha Training Academy, and we'll be updating it with regular tips and techniques to improve your performances when it comes to the different modules of the OET. So keep working. All the best. Keep the faith. All the best from Alpha Training.